are two angles that are complementary when their two measurements equal 90 degrees. So here's a picture of what those look like. Two angles are supplementary angles when they measure 180 degrees. Again, here's a picture of what they look like. Up next, we have just ways that you can figure out if something is complementary, supplementary, or neither. Remember, complementary equals 90 degrees, and supplementary should equal 180 degrees. If they don't equal either one of those, then you're just going to write neither. You're just going to watch for this one, so don't write anything down. Letter A says we have a 70-degree angle and a 110 angle. If I add these two angles together, I get 180 degrees. This means this is a supplementary angle. For letter B, I have a 41 and a 49-degree angle. If I add these two together, I get 90 degrees. This means it's going to be a complementary angle. For letter C, though, you can already tell that it's not a straight line, but for the sake of double checking in math, 128 adding 62, I get 190. So that would be considered neither, because it is neither a complementary 90 degree or supplementary 180 degrees.